Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to move your taskbar icons to the left in Windows 11. First of all, open the taskbar setting. Simply click on the right click on the Windows, then you will see the personalize option. Then your setting will be open, or you can go to the menu and search your setting and open the setting. Then you will see the option named as task behavior. After you have opened, the taskbar setting will be opened. Now go to the taskbar behaviors. Here you will find the option called taskbar alignment. To make it center, keep it center and your taskbar will be in center. Now to make the icon left, simply click here and change it to left, and your icon all will move to the left. And that's it. That's how you move the icon to the left on your taskbar. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one, and follow for more quick tips.